you are becoming a video editor in 2026, there is a high chance to enter market in a wrong way. Not because editing is bad, but because 99% of people enter this market in a building same skill in a same way. And when everyone move in a same way, most of them lose. The real opportunity is 1%. Why 99% are playing wrong game with AI reality? Today most of editor learning same surface level skills. How to add subtitles, how to copy viral reels, how to use transition, how to animate caption. But here what they are ignoring. According to multiple 2025 reports from Creative Workflow and Media Automation, AI can already automate 40-60% of repetitive post-production tasks. Things like rough cuts, silence removal, caption, reframing, basic color correction, and that's not speculation anymore. Already platforms like Descript and Runway reduce editing time for basic content by more than half of many creators, and some media teams show that cutting short form production 30-60% using AI. And now think about that, 40-50% mechanical work doing and automated by AI, and 99% of beginner editors selling the exact mechanical work. What do you think over the next 2-3 years? It doesn't mean editing is disappear. It means part of editing required effort it's shrinking. The demand shift upward toward thinking, toward positioning, toward strategy. And now 99% of people building in the shrinking zone. How do you know you are in the 99%? An editor messaged me. He said, "Do you need a video editor?" I say yes. He replies instantly, "I know Premiere, I can add subtitle, I can do motion graphic, I can edit reels." And that's where the mistake happened. Because what he just told, he's just trying to sell execution. He didn't ask what kind of content we produce. He didn't ask what our retention look like. He didn't ask what the goal of content. And he didn't ask what the audience is. He just listed all tools. And now imagine different editor message me and he say, "I watched your last 3 videos. Your retention drops around the 30-second mark and I think the hooks are too slow. If we restructure the first 20 seconds, we could increase watch time." That conversation is different. That not "do you need a video editor?" That "I understand your goal." The first editor is in the 99% and the second editor is in the 1%. The 99% think client need only editing. Only 1% think client need growth. Your first is to talking about your software, you are competing with thousands of people. And if your goal is talk about outcome, you are competing with few people. And that the shift most people miss. What actually happening? Every year the huge number of people enter the editing market. They learn what viral the year, they copy the trending reel style, they follow the same YouTube tutorial, they build portfolio that look almost identical. But here what people don't talk about. Freelance industry reports show that every year a large number of freelancers quit within 1 to 2 years. Different platform, different report, but mostly new beginner freelancer 30-60% quit their work within 2 years. So think about that. If so many editors leave, why does market still feel crowded? Here is the logic, because saturation is not about how many people are doing work, it's about number of people doing the exact things. Every year a unique way come, they copy the same viral format, they compete on price, they struggle to get consistent client, they burn out, they leave, and then a new wave replace them. The face change but strategy doesn't, and that's why it's feel permanently saturated. And it's not about the staying same people permanently and dominating. The 4 core system, 2 pair to skip the 99%. You are new in editing and you don't want to waste next 2 years like everyone else. Then listen carefully. If you're focused only on plugin, preset, templates, effects, flashy edits, you already in 99%, but it's not a problem. You need to forget the first layer because that's not the core of pillar. The first pair, core survival layer. There are 4 cores and they work in pairs. Miss one, system break. The first pair is very simple: attention and clarity. If you can't hold attention, nothing matter. If you can't make message clear, nothing convert. Most readers focus on visual, but attention is psychological. Where does the viewer get bored? Where does the confusion start? Where should tension increase? Clarity means removing the noise and cut what don't serve the message. If you can't control attention and clarity in one place, you are still in execution layer, and that's pair 1 only. The second pair, leverage layer. Now the second pair, positioning and outcome. Positioning means what does the creator video make that look like? Authoritative, relatable, premium, aggressive. Every edit shape perception. Outcome means what the video trying to achieve. More retention, more leads, more trust, more sales. If you don't know about the outcome, you're editing in blindly. And if you don't understand positioning, you are cutting randomly. That's a pair 2. Why it's 2 and 2, not separate for skill. Attention plus clarity work together, positioning plus outcome work together. Because one pair control the viewers and one pair is control the business. If you master only attention but ignoring positioning, you create viral video but big content. If you understand outcome but can't control attention, nobody watch long enough. Both pairs requires to move into the 1%. And the question is, what will you realize after mastering this? When you actually start working on this 4 core, something strange happen. The feeling is that market is so saturated is weaker. Not because market is changed, but because your inner positioning is changed. Because when you understand clarity and attention, you stop guessing. Most beginners fail because they are competing with only surface level